What other kinds of debts, other than the student loans, the things that you talked about, survive a Chapter 7?
Well, in a Chapter 7, any kind of parking ticket's going to survive, a recent tax debt, child support.
Recent tax debt, what do you mean by so are you saying that there's a possibility of getting some old taxes discharged?
Right. Taxes is a tricky area under the bankruptcy laws, but basically, in a nutshell, if a tax is more than 3 years old, if you filed a return on time or within the last 2 years, and if the tax was assessed more than 240 days ago, it may be eliminated in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. So typically an old tax debt more than 3 years ago, we have a good chance that that debt will be eliminated. One caveat though, the return must be filed by the debtor, not by the government. The government actually does file returns on behalf of individuals. If that happens, that tax debt can never be eliminated because the tax return was filed by the government.
What if I go back and file a return from, a few years ago?
You can do that, but then you must wait an additional 2 years from the time you filed that return before it could be eligible for discharge. So the timing with Chapter 7 bankruptcy on a number of different issues, the use of credit cards, the tax returns, there's a lot of time areas that you want to make sure that you don't pull the trigger on a filing prematurely. You want to time it properly, and that's not fraudulent. That's zealous representation. That's being smart. That's taking full advantage of the federal laws that are there for you. If waiting an extra week or two means the difference between dischargeability and non-dischargeability, by all means, your attorney better wait. Otherwise, you have an issue with your attorney there.